Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to log in to iCloud with or without verification code. So first things first, Apple does not allow bypassing two-factor authentication if it's enabled. But if two-factor authentication is not enabled, you can log in normally with just your Apple ID and password. But if two-factor authentication is active, you must have access to a trusted device or phone number, and Apple will not send a code to unverified devices, and there's just no way to bypass it. So those are the things that you should consider before logging into your iCloud account. Now to log in, just head over to settings. Then next is click on Apple account. Now here you will be given two options. First is to use another Apple device or sign in manually. Now if your Apple account doesn't have two-factor authentication, you can now proceed just by entering your email or phone number. Then just press continue. So this is what it looks like when an Apple account has two-factor authentication enabled. You will be asked to enter the code that was sent on your registered mobile number. So just enter the code to proceed logging in. And once the code is authenticated, you will now be able to log in to your account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!